Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a early morning, a Sunday, an early Sunday, 8 AM, and I have a quick job. Use these sockets. They're not thread protectors, they're sockets. I got to chop off the old leaking ones. Chop off the old leaking ones and replace it with these weld-on sockets, not thread protectors. Although they can be used as thread protectors, they can hold like 40 bar pressure. And yeah, my setup today, I have my Kempi. I'm gonna be TIG welding it. I just grabbed any old shroud for this one here, nothing special. I've got my fine gear, cut off, linish, clean, and my Speed Glass G503 Pro air respirator. Just to give you an idea of what a typical plant room looks like, this is in a university. These are the big old boilers, or in these they call them something different. What do they call them? Can't remember. Damn. This is the size of the gas main in. It is a big old gas main. I think that's a pressure valve or something like that. Gate valve maybe, pressure valve, I don't know, I'm a welder, not a fitter. But yeah, this is what the room looks like. I got my kit down here. Take this hammer, level, and cutting this, some random ones. And then of all the locations to work, this is pretty nifty. It's nice. All at regular height. Forgot my camera stand, so you're gonna have to bear with me as I prop the phone up in weird locations that may not be perfect, but it's the best I can do. I got sent this grinder from Fine a while ago. Best cordless grinder ever. Links are in the description. I am an ambassador for them. Multi-speed. Even the battery is an amp share battery, so it shares across platform. 8 amps on this small one, and on this big one here, it doesn't say it because I sprayed on it, but 12 amps. 12 amps. I do all of my stuff cordless because in a room like this, it's a lot easier to have batteries than trying to find power. But these 3M Cubitrons, they will make light work of this. They will make light work of this. Die grinder time now, 28,000 RPM. This is a Scotch-Brite XT Pro Cleaner Strip disc. 3M sent me these as well. They're going to remove all of the paint and the rust and even the mill scale without damaging the pipe material. It's worn out already. I had forgotten to push start, but that's the tacking, nothing special. Absolutely nothing special. Gap all the way around. This one here I welded. That's the root run, 150 amps and about 120 or so amps for the bigger gap. This side had a smaller gap, so I'll turn up the amps. First run, let it cool down. I don't have my wire brush on me, so I'm gonna have to run to the van. I'll quickly root this one here now. Nothing special. Yes, there's an open gap to get a root in there. These here usually are classed as fillet weld, so I could butt that on there with no gap and it would have been fine. Especially for here. There's no weld inspectors and stuff like that. But I've got a gap. Look at this pipe. That's undercut all on the side there. Undercut all there. So the real weld on this system here is going to be running maybe 3 bar. Nothing special. And this is fine. So let me weld on top here and then I'll go get my wire brush. So I had to turn the power down a little bit. 160 amps cap. It was a little bit crap. I never realized on these small ones, I wanted to just grab this. It weren't too important to get a big jumbo diffuser because gas flow isn't as important on this stuff. But this was so small, I was on the weld, on a glowing weld, and I was slipping all over the place. And I grabbed the wrong tungstens. I don't think I got 2% foliated. I think I got a white one. And yes, the red ones are much better. But here it is done. As you can see, the sockets aren't even in alignment with each other. We've got one hole's closer this way than there. So leveling it out this way, there's not much you can really do without, unless you just eyeball it, which I did. The welds came out okay. That's why I like to TIG weld them. Nothing special. I didn't have a flexi head. It's a fixed head. But yeah, you can't complain with that stuff there. No undercut or anything. She's in there solid, 2 runs. Job's done. Now I will pack up all of this stuff here, send over the invoice. So if you stay tuned in this video, I'm going to quickly pack up